Hello traders. In today's video, we are looking at the Dorsey Inertia Indicator for MetaTrader 4. This tool was developed by Donald Dorsey in 1995 and builds on its earlier relative volatility index to measure long-term trend strength. At this point, I'll go ahead and load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember to allow DLL imports, and here we have it. The inertia indicator appears as a single oscillating line in a sub-window beneath the main chart. It scales from 0 to 100 with a key threshold at the 50 level. Readings above 50 imply that an uptrend is in force, while readings below 50 imply a downtrend. Crossings of the 50 level can signal potential trend reversals. The concept of inertia here is borrowed from physics, suggesting that trends tend to continue in their current direction until an opposing force acts on them. As for the indicator settings, let's take a look at what we have. The indicator has three adjustable parameters, as you can see. The standard deviation period used for the relative volatility index calculation, the smoothing EMA period for the RVI, and the linear regression period. These can be modified in the MT4 indicator properties or used at their default values. You can also choose your preferred color for the line. As for who is for, the Dorsey Inertia Indicator is best suited for longer term trend traders who want to measure whether a trend has the momentum to continue. It is a visual tool only and does not execute trades. In choppy markets, the line may oscillate around the 50 level and produce whipsaw signals. It is most effective as a filter to confirm trend direction alongside other analysis methods. You can download the indicator from the link in the description below on the Forex Geek. Subscribe and turn on notifications, and I'll see you in the next video.